Happy birthday, Boss Jan! Pagpatuloy ang kabaitan. Salamat sa lahat-lahat.
Ano pa ate? Stay healthy ka mo. Huwag puro taba.
Hi, Kuya Bert! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, bro! Ilang taon na tayo? Ayan, so tumatanda na tayo. So sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. At sana palaging healthy yung yung pangangatawan mo. At para maging stable palalo yung business nyo. Yan. So ayan, palagi mo lang isipin ang work-life balance kasi maraming umaasa sa'yo na sa family mo, tsaka kila mama, papa, kami rin. Ayan, so, ayan, wish ko lang more birthdays to come at healthy body at mind. Ayan, so, happy birthday!
Magkwento lang ako ng konting-konti lang. So, kaming magkakapatid, 3 po kami. So, ang napangasawa niya is si Ate Gladys. So, pangalawa po ako. So, ako yung unang-unang naging anak-anakan ng aking kapatid at si Kuya. So, parang si Kuya Bert ay naging kuya sa amin. So, very protective tong si Kuya. Talagang kuyang-kuya yan. Thank you Kuya Bert sa pag-aalaga kay Ate Glads. Pati na rin sa amin. Hindi lang sa pag-aalaga kay Ate Glads, kundi sa buong pamilya namin. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sa iyong suporta at lagi mo din kaming ginagabayan. And lagi mo rin sinasabihan si Ate Glads na huwag mong aawayin si Glyza. So thank you Kuya. Tsaka alagaan mo din ang iyong sarili, Kuya, kayo ni Ate. Lagi ko din pinag-pray na sana maging safe kayo palagi. At tsaka sana yumaman pa kayo dahil nababahagian din kami ng yaman ninyo. Charot! So anyway, Kuya, happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday, Da! Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy 40th birthday! Happy birthday,
Salamat sa kabaitan ni Kuya, Boss Day! More blessings! And more business! Daddy!
Mommy!
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Daddy!
Happy birthday, Bert!
Hello! Happy birthday! Bert, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bert! Thank you sa kuwan, generous. Kinag-generous mo sa amin at mabait ka.
Happy birthday, Tita John! Happy birthday, Tita John. Tito Dan, I love you.
1, 2, go.
Happy birthday, Jan!
Hi, John. Happy birthday, Joe. Popogi ka ganyan eh.
Hi, boss. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 40th birthday. Pasensya ka na. Medyo inabot ako ng dilim sa pagbati sa'yo. Galing pa ako ng munisipyo eh. Inalam ko talaga kung 40 years old ka. Ang pagkakaalam ko kasi 50 ka na eh. Happy birthday, boss. Ano bang wish ko? Sa estado mo ngayon, nasa iyo naman na lahat siguro doon. You have a great family. Matatalino at mababait ang mga bata. At na may maganda at mabait kang asawa. Nasa iyo na lahat, tol. Yung estado ng pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon, okay naman. So, ang wish ko na lang sa'yo ay good health. Sana ipagpatuloy mo ang pagkain ng taba ng baboy. Alam kong bawal sa'yo ang gulay. Pagpatuloy mo yan, brother, para manatili kang malusog. Pangalawa, sana ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong kabaitan at pagtulong sa kapwa, tol. Ikaw, isa ka sa mga kapatid na nakitaan ko ng gininto ang puso para sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Huwag ka magbabago, tol. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Sama-sama lang tayo at mahal kita, kapatid. Mahal kita, Bert. Happy birthday sa'yo ulit, tol. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you, John! Yun, so stay healthy and huwag na masyadong may stress sa life. Enjoy your day, babush!
Happy birthday, Tito! Happy 40th birthday, and I wish you all the best, and I wish that tomorrow you would have all the love that you deserve. Thank you so much for always being there for me. You know, when back in grade 11, when I was talking to Keisha about her parents and how she is treated at home, she would always tell me that she has been treated wonderfully and she has always been guided by her parents. When I met you and Tita Gladys, it all completely made sense to me. I might not be there for the early chapters of your life, and I might not known you for the longest time, but people can say that when a person treats you as guest in their home, you'd know who they are. And when I lived at your place with Tita Gladys, with Clara, with Kyle, with Keisha, you guys treated me as if one of your own, and you didn't make me feel like an outcast. You chose to understand me, and you chose to be there for me and give me hope that I could always be grateful of. Thank you so much for giving me the true value of what it is like to be with a family that loves you so much. Thank you so much for taking me in, and thank you so much for giving me a comfort and a safe place to always be in. Thank you for always being there, and thank you so much for being someone that I could always ask for an advice. You deserve all the love in the world, and you deserve the very best. Thank you so much for everything, Tito. Happy 40th birthday, and I hope you enjoy tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Ninang Bert.
Happy birthday, Bert. We love you. Thank you so much for everything. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo for us, for the whole family. Mahal ka namin at ang buong pamilya mo. Happy birthday!
Brad, happy birthday sa'yo. Patuloy ka maging mabuti sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo at panalangin ko ang tagumpay sa buhay mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy!
Maligayang kaarawan ng pagbati ko para sa isa sa mga pinakamahalagang tao sa buhay ko. Sabi nila, life starts at 40. So, ito ay simula ng panibagong yugto ng buhay mo, mas masaya, mas maganda, at mas makabuluhan. Patuloy kang maging mabuti para sa iba, kagaya ng pagiging mabuti mo sa akin at sa aking pamilya. I wish you inner peace, inner strength, and higher wisdom. Isa kang tunay at mabuting kaibigan. Hinahangad ko ang kaligayahan mo, mabuting kalusugan, at saka patuloy na tagumpay sa buhay. Kagaya mo na laging nasa tabi ko, gusto kong malaman mo na nandito lang ako kung kailangan mo. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Muli, pagbati ko ng maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday sa iyo, kapatid na mahilig sa taba. Nawa ay marami pang tabata yung bubunuin sa ating mga ventures na pinaggagawa. Saan ang handaan at ako'y pupunta? Happy birthday uli, mahal kong kapatid, Gilbert Arevalo.
Happy birthday, Boss J. Wishing you good health, happiness, and continued success. Stay healthy always. You are the hope of everyone. May God continue to bless you and give you strength to inspire those around you. Enjoy your special day.